Hey everyone, this is Don with My Crypto Playground. Thanks for joining me on my channel. Today we are going to talk about the new Clover Protocol on FLR Finance. I'm going to do just a quick rundown on what it is, and then I will show you a live demonstration tutorial on how to mint some of the raffle tickets that they have available. But before we do that, I just want to let you know, none of this is financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I'm just here to show you what I'm doing with mine. So with that out of the way, let's do a quick introduction to the new Clover Protocol. It's actually on FLR Drops, which is on FLR Finance. So let's get that going right now.
One who owns the gold. Makes the rules.
The Golden Collection, coming soon to FLR Drops.
All right, that is actually kind of a really sweet intro. I know it doesn't really tell you much, but as we scroll down to here on FLR Drops and you click on Clover, it'll tell you a little bit more about this golden necklace giveaway that they are doing. So it says, welcome to the first Clover Protocol event on the Songbird Network. 5 18-karat gold necklaces crafted by Simonian Jewels are waiting to be won. Mint raffle tickets with SGB for a chance to win an FLR Finance 18-karat gold necklace redeemed through the Ermis Protocol. So just to kind of give you guys a quick rundown. So this whole Clover Protocol is actually, from their white paper, a fair distribution protocol designed for companies and art houses to create private events and fair, transparent marketing campaigns. Clover will make high-value art more inclusive and attainable without devaluing or fractionalizing the art. Using Clover, trusted parties can ensure fair compensation for the item distributed while still appealing to a broader audience rather than relying on large bidders. So basically, this is kind of a raffle/lottery system where a lot of people have a chance to win something really big. And in this case right here, it's 5 18-karat gold necklaces. So what FLR Drops is doing is basically, like I said, it's a raffle. This raffle uses the Clover Protocol to ensure fair distribution of 5.82 gram 18-karat gold necklaces from FLR Finance. So to enter, you need to mint or buy a raffle ticket. The first 60,000, after the first 60,000 tickets are sold, the countdown will begin, and at the end of the countdown, the winning tickets will be drawn. Also, by the way, just as a side note, you also need at least one XFi in your wallet to be able to mint a raffle ticket. So all you got to do is scroll down here on, like I said, on the Clover tab under FLR Drops. And as you can see, so far, 4,626 tickets have been minted so far. Each ticket is only 99 WSGB, so which means you have a 1 in 60,000 chance to win one of these necklaces. So what I'm going to do, just for demonstration purposes, is to just mint one raffle ticket. So I'm going to click here to mint one for 99 WSGB. Let's confirm. And approve tokens, and it's minting right now. And obviously it always takes long as we're doing this live and with no edits. All right, there it is. One raffle ticket has been minted. So I have number 4627. So the unrevealed FLR Finance from 110 SG. Oh, I don't know what that means, but let's see ticket details. It's actually really cool. Graphics look really nice. So it says here, this NFT is an unrevealed raffle ticket. You can reveal it during the reveal phase of the raffle to see if you won. Now, just to kind of let y'all know, Clover Protocol consists of 4 phases, in which users can only participate in 3 out of the 4, starting from the mint phase. And then there'll be a draw phase and then the revealed phase. So that's pretty much it. And I guess right now people are selling them also for, yeah, you can actually take your ticket and put it up for sale on FLR Drops. And right now people are, I don't know why you would want to buy it for 110 SGB when you can mint it for 99. So that is it, really. It's kind of cool. For this right now, I wouldn't go too crazy on, or I'm not going to go too crazy on buying a lot of tickets, because just from looking at the value of the necklace, it doesn't really seem like it's that much. I mean, obviously they're waiting to sell 60,000 tickets at pretty much 100 SGB per. So that's, I mean, I'm not a math expert, but look, 60,000 times 100. I mean, you're looking at 60 million Songbird. Is that right? Or 6 million song? I don't really know. But it's still a lot, and I don't think all of that Songbird is going to equate to the actual value of all 5 of these necklaces. But I think the opportunity to win something, and also just the concept of being able to sell, raffle, or have a chance to win something huge instead of buying into like a fractionalized portion of it, is actually a great opportunity. I'm looking forward to see what other kinds of prizes and giveaways that companies are going to do to incentivize people to, to participate in this. But anyway, that's about it. Just thought I'd do a quick tutorial on the Clover Protocol here on FLR Finance. Hope that helps, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks.